In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2S wireless lavalier microphone. Okay, so I did it again. I got another mic for my content creation setup. Now this time it's the Hollyland Lark M2S. And if you're like me, sometimes you just want to know exactly what comes in a box. Because let's be honest, product photos can be super vague and most unboxing videos for mics, they're way too technical. This one, not today. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to show you what you get in the Hollyland Lark M2S, the ultimate combo pack. Okay, let's first check out the outside of the box. I know when I see a product someone else is unboxing, I want to know I'm getting the same one, especially when there are a variety of different options. Now, please do as I say and not as I do. Cut away from yourself and your fingers. Now, this could have been disastrous or minimally wreck my new manicure that I just did earlier in the day. Now, here's the thing when it comes to opening boxes like this. It can get so complicated how someone needs to open it. Is it open from the top, the bottom? Does it slide out? Now, normally I just rip the box open, but we're going to keep it pretty for the camera. So this box has a bottom opening flap. Okay, let's have a look inside and get everything out of the box so we can go through each item one by one. I'll just fast track through this bit so you don't get bored watching me take stuff out of a box. Well, actually, that's the whole point of this video. Okay, never mind. Now, inside the flap of the box, you have graphics about the microphone's pickup hole. And it tells you to keep the pickup hole of the microphone facing outwards when you're wearing it. So when you clip it to your clothes, there's the right way and then there's the wrong way. Okay, so first up is a black bag with the Hollyland branding at the front and it has a drawstring closure. Now before we check out what's inside, let's make things aesthetically pleasing first of all and line things up just a tiny little bit. All right, let's get back into unboxing. So first we have an after sales card, then you have a quick guide, a compliance information card, and a packing list card with all the things that come with the box. Now the rest of the stuff, you get 2 furry windshields for the mic. Now I got this ultimate combo pack specifically for this lightning receiver. That way I can connect the microphone to my iPhone 13. And then you have this 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS cable. So if you want to pair your Hollyland mic to a camera, then this cable is going to connect the two together. You then get this cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C, so you can use it for charging or to connect the camera receiver to your computer or laptop. So then you can also use your wireless lavalier mic and you want to use it to live stream or record your videos. Now we move to the charging case. Now there's a light indicator just at the front and the Hollyland branding on the lid, and it has a rubberized base. Now the light indicator has 3 colors. So white means the battery level is at 6 to 98%. Red will mean your battery level is low at 3 to 6%. In a green light, the battery level is over 98%. Now inside the charging case, there is the USB-C receiver. However, I'm going to swap it out for the lightning receiver. Then you have the camera receiver. One side, it has a USB-C port that you can connect the cable to either charge or connect it to your laptop or computer. And then at the back, it has a square cold shoe that you can then slide onto your camera mount. And then on the other side, you can pop the TRS cable like this, and then the other end of it you can attach to your camera. Let me show you how you connect the USB-C to the side, and then the other end you attach to your computer or your laptop. Now here's a little spoiler alert. Throughout this whole video, I have been recording this voiceover with a Hollyland mic connected to my editing software with the noise cancelling feature. I am going to do another video, so make sure to keep an eye out for part 2 of this unboxing and review video series of the Hollyland Lark M2S wireless lavalier microphone. Now let's move to the two microphones or two transmitters. The mic part is actually the smaller circle, and you can clip it onto your clothes by slightly separating the clip, making sure not to open it any more than 45-degree angle, or else the clamping force can get weakened. Now here I'm just removing some of the protective plastic. Now of course this mic is not about planning, planners, productivity, habit tracking or self-care related like my regular videos. However, I would like to be able to showcase more of the ways I use Planner and my system to stay consistent with my content creation. So you may start to see a little bit of behind the scenes, my process and systems, as well as the gear I use to bring this whole channel of mine together. Now, it may not be for everyone, but if you're like me and have gotten value from any of my other videos, I would love it if you could also support this part of me and my personal journey being a content creator. And of course, your support can come from as simple as tapping or clicking that like button or even subscribing. Now, if I ever do film outside and it's a windy day, the furry windshield can help reduce or eliminate the sound of the wind. All you got to do is slide the mic pickup hole onto this tiny rubber pocket on the windshield. So cute and fluffy. Now the drawstring bag has two internal sections, so one side you can put all the smaller items and accessories, while on the other you can pop your charging case. I'll have part 2 of this Hollyland mic series where I'll do an audio test as well as share with you my first impression of this wireless lavalier mic. Check the description below for my Amazon affiliate link. Now, prices will differ in different regions and countries, so if you can't buy it yet, pop it on your wish list and put a little bit of money aside in a sinking or savings fund and purchase wisely. So make sure to watch part 2 of this Hollyland Lark M2S mic series, and while you're here, you might as well watch one of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.